Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the template refs tutorial. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Template ref in the Vue.js 3 allow you to access and manipulate DOM elements directly within your Vue components. They are helpful when you need to interact with a specific element or a component in your template. Like suppose creating a ref. So how you can create a ref? You can create a ref using the ref function from the Vue package, that is ref from Vue. Here in the setup, export default setup, create a ref of an HTML element. So here my element reference by default is null. Okay. So here I'm returning my element. Now, second step, attach ref to elements in the template. Okay, template is there. Dev, my element. Here you can see that the ref is my element. This is the element we will reference. On the button click, handle click will call. Okay, assessing ref in the component. How we will assess the ref in the component? Assess the element using the my element ref in your component logic. So here import ref from the Vue, set up const my element ref. When I click on the handle, what will happen? Assess the DOM element using the ref. Console.log my element dot value. This will log the DOM element. My element dot value dot style dot color blue. So I'm manipulating the DOM element and then returning the my element and the handle click. Okay, so here you can see the ref function creates a reactive reference that you can attach the DOM element, assess the DOM elements using the dot value of the ref. Changes to the DOM element will be a reactive. Remember, when using the template ref, Vue will assign the actual DOM element to the value property of the ref. However, when assessing the ref in the component logic, always use dot value to assess the underlying DOM element. This technique is beneficial when you need to direct access to the specific elements or the components in your Vue templates for manipulation or the event handling. Let's take a look of that one. So here we have a export import part. So let's copy this and add it our code. Okay, so this is app view, right? So template part is missing, so let's add the template one is also. What will happen over here? Something miss. Script tag is miss, right? So I need to add the script. So take an example from the script. I need to add the script. That's the reason it's showing that one. Okay, this is done. Let's have a look on that one. So here you can see if I go to the console also, click me. When I click on this one, the color changes. Right here you can see the P element of that node. So the same thing what we have done over here, there is a my element. Okay, so my element by default reference is null. When I click on the handle click, assessing that my element dot value, what's the value exactly it is. Okay, this will log the DOM element. Okay, my element dot value, and whatever the value I get, whether there's to be a p tag or something, I will just change the color, that is blue, and return my element and the handle click. Right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.